Good morning, Jacob Wheeler here with Red Rock Roofing, standing for greatness. Today I'm here at Karen's house at 8546 Duquet in Lakewood doing a quick roof inspection. Bear with me here while I go ahead and make my way up onto the ladder. First thing, guys, that I always want to point out while we're looking into your roofing system is actually taking a look first into your gutter system. So what you see here, this sand-like substance that you can see kind of consistently, is actually the granules. So granules are a sign of wear and tear from the roof. It's showing the age and wear on the shingles. Now, as a whole, your shingles are doing pretty good. They have a little bit of wear to them, but overall, they look pretty great. So as I make my way up here, I went ahead and marked a few places. First thing I want to point out is what's called collateral damage. Collateral damage is when hail hits the soft metals up on the roof, showing signs and indicators that there was a hailstorm. As you see here, there are some indicators here on your soft metals that there was hail up here at one point. Moving on, next thing what any kind of insurance adjuster is going to look for is what's called spalling. Spalling is when hail hits the shingle, dislodges the granules, showing the fiberglass matting underneath. If you take a close look, I actually went ahead and circled a couple areas just to show you what that looks like. Now, normally, any kind of insurance adjuster is going to be looking for about 6 to 10 of these hits in about a 10 foot by 10 foot square. Now, I went ahead and made the square here. I found about 2. So, as a whole, as far as spalling is concerned, this roof is a total pass. While I'm up here, though, I do want to just point out a couple of things, Karen. First things that I noticed, there's a couple spots here like this where the nail's been driven in too far. Just a great place for water to migrate, so a little bit of silicone will go a long way right in here. I'm seeing very few of these areas, but there are a couple. And I also want to point out, you have a little bit of lifting metal just over here as well, Karen. Went ahead and sign that up there so you can see just another great place for water to migrate. Luckily it's downhill, so water probably isn't migrating into the system, but something that we can silicone up and seal for you as well. As a whole, this roof is a total pass. I think that you have the better life left on this roof, probably at least a good another 10 or 15 years. But if you get another hailstorm, definitely give us a call so we can review it again. Jacob Wheeler, Red Rock Roofing, standing for greatness.